Imagine moving to a home that's nearly brand new. Welcome to 4925 Bel Vista Drive in Bar Nunn, just minutes from Casper. Hi, I'm Francine Bush.
And I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team. You are going to love this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home that has a 2-car garage, and it's on a half-acre lot.
Let's start outside. The first thing you'll notice is new roofs on both the home and the garage. The one major expense you won't need to think about for years.
You also notice the updates from the moment you walk in the door. New Pergo Outlast flooring goes in all of the living areas. This flooring makes it look open, light, and bright.
And this kitchen is the heart of the home. It's been completely reimagined. This kitchen has new cabinetry, soft close doors and drawers, this beautiful countertop, and stainless steel appliances.
Just off the kitchen, the dining room feels cozy and connected. And just imagine the Wyoming winter nights with that pellet stove going.
What makes this house so special is the primary suite being on this end of the home, where the other 3 bedrooms are on the other side. And it's just a great size. And look at this bathroom. And this bathroom, it features a large soaker tub that practically begs you to get in it after a long day. It's the kind of space you look forward to come home to. Check out this double vanity, new shower. It's a great space. On this side of the home, we have 3 bedrooms with new paint and new carpet, and it's light and bright in here. One of them even has a walk-in closet. And like everything else in this house, the second bathroom has been refreshed with new finishes and fixtures, keeping that just updated feel consistent throughout. So this home comes with a washer and dryer and a brand new furnace and AC system. If you'd like to come take a look, give me a call.
Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.